Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your photos private on Facebook. Want to make all of your photos private on Facebook? Follow these steps and you'll learn how to do it. Open a Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook profile. Tap on the menu icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now proceed to Settings. Click on Profile and Tagging. Now tap on Who can see posts that you are tagged in on your profile. Proceed by clicking on See More and select Only Me. From now on, only you will be able to view the photos you are tagged in. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to make your photos private on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.